Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janet. If you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a day as a vegetarian. I'm gonna take you guys through my whole day of eats from breakfast all the way down to desserts. And these meals are healthy, they're nutritious. I feel like they cover all bases with your protein, with your fiber, with your fruits, with your vegetables. It's just a well-rounded day of eats. So I hope that this video is helpful to anyone who is on a vegetarian, vegan, plant-based diet, or anyone who is just interested in some more healthy food options. I hope that this video helps achieve that. If you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's hop into today's video. First thing I like to start off with at the beginning of the day is a glass of greens. And I love to drink this on an empty stomach because it helps support digestion, reduce bloating, and boost energy levels. And I love to go in with the Bloom greens and superfood. And then I also like to pair that with some L-glutamine because L-glutamine helps with your gut health, immune system, as well as muscle growth and recovery. So I feel like these two together are just a great pair to start the morning off. After I finish that, I move on to my breakfast. Since being a vegetarian, honestly, breakfast has been the easiest meal for me to make because I always like to keep my breakfast very simple. So today I'm just having 2 scrambled eggs, some vegan sausage, and some avocado. And sometimes I'll pair it with some fruit or some oatmeal on the side. But I really do like to keep my breakfast very simple and focus on having whole foods to really help provide the nutritional value that I need and the energy that I need to make it throughout the day. So to a pan, I just added some olive oil and then I went on and scrambled my eggs. And I'm going to go in with the Morningstar vegan sausage links. I use about 3 of them. I don't know what it is about these sausage links though. Like they're really tea. And I literally love having this breakfast every morning, and adding a little avocado to it just really gets those healthy fats. You get the protein from the eggs and the sausage. So I just think it's a well-rounded breakfast and it really just hits the spot. And then on top of my avocado, I love to add a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. And that is my breakfast, very simple and to the point. And I can't have breakfast without a little caffeine. And my caffeine of choice today is, of course, coffee. So I'm going to go in with this Nespresso pod. This is one of the stronger espressos. So I don't know what I was feeling like on this day. But sometimes I'll just do iced coffee or I'll do an espresso pod that's not as strong. But probably on a day like today, I needed a strong coffee. So I just went ahead and brewed that. So I like to go in with some almond milk and then a little bit of the horchata oat milk creamer from Starbucks. And then I go in with my espresso. And like I said, this is a very strong espresso, so I have to go a little bit heavier on the milk and creamer so that I'm not wired throughout the day. And then moving on to lunch, I have been obsessed with these, what I like to call adult Lunchables. So I just have some cubed Kobe Jack and cheddar cheese. I have some crackers, some mixed berries, and then some English cucumbers for our veggies. And then some dry roasted and salted almonds. And then lastly, I like to add some hummus. And this snack plate, one, it's very filling, but it's just something so nostalgic. It reminds me of a Lunchable, but it's so, so good. And I love this for a midday lunch. Moving on to my snack, I like to keep it very simple with my snack and just opt for some fruit. So my fruit of choice this day was some watermelon. One thing about it, 2 things for sure, I'm never beating the allegations, baby. I love me some watermelon. Like, I'm so sorry, but babes, anytime I see a watermelon or it's watermelon season, trust and believe I'm busting a watermelon down. So this was my fruit of choice today. But what I like to do with my watermelon is add a little bit of janetakorikin to it. It's great on its own, but it's just something about adding some lime and some tahini to the watermelon. I don't know if it's the Texan in me. Everything needs tahini. I don't know. Tahini just makes everything taste better. So that's how I like to eat my watermelon. But like I said, I can still bust one down without all the dressings. Moving on to dinner, if you guys watched my last Health is Wealth vlog, I talked about this salad and how I'm literally obsessed, and it's my death row meal at the moment. But this is the chickpea salad with veggies, and I have some red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, some English cucumbers, red onion, roasted chickpeas, chopped dill, and then some lemon juice. I'll have the recipe below in the description as well, but it also is in the vlog that I posted. I'll have it tagged in the cards up here as well. But y'all, this salad is so good. It's so refreshing, and you get your fiber, you get your protein, and you get your veggies. Like, I can't say enough about this salad, and I really do feel like it's addictive. Like, once you have it, you're not going to want to go back. It's just going to be in the rotation, and I love that. So once you try it, don't blame me if you eat a salad every week, okay? So I like to just eat this with some tortilla chips, but you can eat this by itself, put this over some rice, some quinoa, whatever you want to do. Lastly, moving on to dessert, I love a yogurt bowl. I usually love a little ice cream as a dessert, but there isn't a lot of healthy ice creams out there. I've been starting to like a yogurt bowl and just adding different toppings to it. So today I did just some vanilla Greek yogurt, some mango chunks, and some vanilla granola and some coconut flakes. And it's just a good little tropical yogurt bowl, and it just really hits the spot without being super, super sweet, but you also get the protein from the yogurt. So it's a really good dessert. That is what I eat in a day. Here's just a recap of the meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope these meals are inspirational to you in helping you plan out meals for you to eat during the week as well. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. As always, peace and love. Mwah. Bye.